In this video, we'll take a look at reputation management. Now that you're signed up for reputation management, let's take a look at the settings to get you started. Once you're signed into 123petsoftware.com, you'll want to click onto More and then Reviews. You'll be prompted to fill in your information. Fill out the missing parts and update or change any of the information that you need to. On the next screen, you can plug in your social media review page information. There's an option to connect your Facebook, Google, and Yelp reviews. These can also be set up and added later on. Let's take a look at how to add these in. Linking to Facebook is pretty straightforward. Click on Link to Facebook. You're prompted to sign into your Facebook account. Once you're signed in, you'll be given the option to select your business Facebook. Select the proper account and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, let's take a look at connecting with Google. In the Google box, click onto the question mark icon. In the next window, click onto the blue URL that shows up. You can see where I've highlighted that here. In the map that appears on the screen, type in your business name where it says enter a location. For this example, I'll type in our business name, which is DaySmart Software. You'll want to search for your business by name. Do not search for your business location. Once you found the correct location, you'll be shown a place ID. Highlight and copy the place ID. Now let's head back to the setup screen. We're going to paste the place ID that we just copied onto the line here. And that's it for Google. Now let's take a look at configuring Yelp. For this one, let's open up a new tab in your internet browser. In the search engine, look up your business Yelp. The search engine should show you some results. Click on the correct listing. Copy the URL that's at the top of the page. You can see where I've highlighted that here. Now let's head back to the setup screen. Paste the URL into the Yelp URL section. At this point, you should be done with the setup. Click Next when you're ready. If you wish to customize the message template, go ahead and do so. When you're done, click Finish. One really neat feature of reputation management is the ability to send out automatic reviews to customers and ask them to leave you a review. These will send out either through text or email once the customer has completed their transaction. Let's take a look at how this works. I have a ticket here that'll close out. The customer will now be sent a message to leave a review. Let's take a look at how the customer will see this come through. If the customer has opened the review link and left a review, we can now go to the review screen within the software and take a look at the review. We can see the name of the person who left the review, the date, and the review score. This customer left a positive review. I could respond by thanking them for coming in and letting them know I'm looking forward to seeing them again. You also have the option to approve or reject reviews. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, by clicking on the review form, you can copy one of the URLs and add it to your own website. This is an easy way for you to share reviews on your website. And you have an option to show reviews with responses or reviews without responses. There are a few options on the screen for embedded reviews. By clicking on Generate Plugin Code, you'll be given a code to share reviews on your website. Tell the system the dimensions you would like to use. I'll set this for 1000 by 1000. You may find that this is either too big or too small for your preference, but you can go in and change it. Next, you'll want to click on to Generate Plugin Code. Copy the code that it generated, and you can now take this and add it to your website or give this to somebody that manages your website and they can add it in for you. Once reviews start rolling in, you can see stats based on those reviews. You can check your review star rating, percentage of review score. You can also check the percentage of review source and review rating based on employee. If you want to customize the default email message that is sent out to customers, you can. Click onto Review Settings. Use this menu to customize the email message that is sent out to customers. We also have Alert Preferences. Tell the software who you would like to be notified of reviews as they come in. You'll be prompted to provide their email and phone number so that you can receive the notifications. You also have a choice of when to be alerted of reviews. You can set this to alert you of every review or only reviews with 3 stars or less.